Manchester United, interested in signing Ronald Araujo, can greatly improve his salary. Manchester United are one of the clubs interested in signing Barcelona centre-back Ronald Araujo this summer, according to Spanish publication AS. The Uruguay international is currently contracted to the Blaugrana until the summer of 2026. But there are doubts over his future beyond the summer. The La Liga giants need around €100 million to balance their books. It is claimed that there could be a painful high-profile departure in the next transfer window, as report that Araujo has been identified as one of those who could secure the fee. United and Bayern Munich are among his admirers, and they are prepared to bet heavily on him with proposals that could greatly improve his salary. The Red Devils are preparing for the potential departure of Rafael Varane, whose contract expires at the end of June. No talks are planned for a renewal. United could replace him with a younger centre-back in the prime of his career. Araujo would be an ideal fit as his strengths are quite similar to Varane's. He is a strong ball-playing centre-back who has a good aerial presence. The 25-year-old has completed almost 90% of his passes this season with 65% duels won. Araujo has also excelled with his ball recoveries and clearances. He prefers to operate from the right centre-back position and would be an upgrade on Varane. Despite this, United should not pay over the odds for the centre-back. Like Varane, Araujo has had the knack for picking up short-term injuries during his career. A deal would make sense for around €50 million, but beyond that, he could be a risky acquisition. United should have no problem in increasing his €134,000 per week salary, but they should avoid being held to ransom in the pursuit of the South American star. Bruno Fernandes has his sights on Manchester United's stay, won't consider future until after Euro 2024. Manchester United midfielder Bruno Fernandes has insisted that he wants to stay at the club beyond the current campaign. The Portugal international had a difficult start to the season with the Red Devils, but his form has drastically improved over the last few months. Fernandes currently has 15 goals and 11 assists for United from 45 appearances, and he will be aiming to end the season on a high by winning the FA Cup. A recent report claimed that Fernandes' position at the club is not safe despite his contributions. When pressed on his future, the midfielder was quite calm. Speaking to DAS in Portugal, Fernandes said that he wants to continue at United and feels the club's hierarchy share the same stance at the current point. The United captain added that he is focused on the FA Cup final and the European Championship with Portugal. He won't think about his future until after the tournament in Germany. The 29-year-old has been the club's best performer since his arrival from Sporting in 2020. He has made several goal contributions, and it does not make sense to part ways with him. In the current season alone, he has managed 26 goal involvements for United. Fernandes recently became the first player in the Premier League to create 100 chances this term. Hence, we don't see him moving on anytime soon. The board should instead open talks with him over a new contract such that he can see out the prime of his career at United. Fernandes, who has been described as world-class by Casemiro, remains an undisputed starter from the number 10 role, and there is no genuine competition for him at the moment. Mason Mount was signed from Chelsea to increase creativity from midfield, but he has yet to prove his credentials, having spent most of the season on the sidelines with injuries.